Are you looking to start eating healthier but don't know where to begin? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into 15 must-have grocery items that will kickstart your journey to a healthier lifestyle. These items are not only nutritious but also delicious and versatile. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our tips and tricks for a healthier you. Let's get into it. First and foremost, leafy greens are like the superheroes of the vegetable world. Spinach and kale, in particular, are incredibly nutrient-dense. Spinach is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, which are vital for your immune system, skin health, and bone strength. It's also a great source of iron, essential for keeping your energy levels up. Kale is equally impressive, boasting high levels of antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. These greens are super versatile. Toss a handful into your morning smoothie for an instant nutrient boost without altering the taste much. Add them to salads for a fresh, crunchy texture. They can also be sautéed with garlic and olive oil as a delicious side dish. Trust me, your body will thank you for including these powerhouses in your diet. Next up, add some berries to your list. They are not only delicious but also packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C. Blueberries are tiny but mighty, known for their high levels of anthocyanins, which are antioxidants that protect your body from free radicals. Strawberries, on the other hand, provide an impressive amount of vitamin C and manganese, which help with inflammation and blood sugar regulation. Enjoy them fresh as a snack, blend them into smoothies, or mix them into your yogurt or oatmeal. You can also add them to salads for a sweet and tangy twist. Plus, they make for a beautiful and nutritious topping on your pancakes or waffles. Did you know nuts are fantastic for snacking because they provide a great mix of healthy fats, protein, and fiber? Almonds are rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells, and magnesium, which supports muscle function and energy production. Walnuts are a powerhouse of omega-3 fatty acids, which are excellent for heart health and brain function. Keep a small pack of nuts in your bag for a quick and satisfying snack. Sprinkle them over salads, or add them to your morning granola or yogurt. You can even make your own nut butter for a nutritious spread. What's more, seeds might be small, but they are nutrient-dense. Chia seeds are fantastic because they are high in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and protein. They also form a gel-like consistency when soaked in liquid, which can be great for digestive health. Flax seeds are another excellent option, rich in omega-3s and lignans, which have antioxidant properties. You can sprinkle them on your cereal, yogurt, or salads. Chia seeds can be used to make chia pudding, a delicious and healthy dessert. Ground flax seeds can be added to smoothies or baked goods for an extra health boost. Additionally, you can't miss whole grains on your list. They are a fantastic source of fiber, B vitamins, and essential minerals. Quinoa, which is technically a seed but used as a grain, is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. Brown rice is another great option, providing a steady source of energy and supporting metabolic health. Cook quinoa or brown rice as a base for bowls and salads, or serve them as a side dish. They can be incorporated into soups, stews, and casseroles for added texture and nutrition. Try swapping your usual white rice or pasta for these whole grains to reap their benefits. Now let's talk about legumes, as they are an excellent source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients like iron and folate. Lentils are particularly good for supporting heart health and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes. Add lentils to soups, stews, and salads, or use them to make veggie burgers. Chickpeas can be roasted for a crunchy snack, blended into hummus, or added to salads and stews. They are also great for making dishes like chana masala or falafel. But wait, there is more. Lean proteins are crucial for muscle repair, immune function, and overall energy levels. Chicken breast is a popular choice for its high protein content and low fat. It's perfect for those who want to build or maintain muscle mass while keeping their calorie intake in check. Chicken is also rich in selenium, which supports thyroid health, and B vitamins, which are essential for energy metabolism. Tofu, made from soybeans, is a fantastic plant-based alternative. It's not only high in protein but also provides important nutrients like iron, calcium, and magnesium. Tofu is incredibly versatile and can absorb the flavors of whatever you marinate it with, making it a great addition to various dishes. Plus, it's a great option for those looking to reduce their meat consumption or follow a vegetarian or vegan diet. Grill, bake, or stir-fry chicken breast with your favorite herbs and spices. You can add it to salads, wraps, or bowls, or enjoy it as a main dish with a side of vegetables and whole grains. Tofu can be marinated and then baked, stir-fried, or even grilled. It works well in stir-fries, soups, and salads. You can also blend silken tofu into smoothies or desserts for a creamy texture. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Moreover, fish, especially fatty fish like salmon and tuna, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Omega-3s are known for their ability to lower blood pressure, decrease triglycerides, and reduce the risk of heart disease. Salmon is also an excellent source of high-quality protein, vitamins D and B12, and selenium. Tuna is packed with protein and provides a substantial amount of vitamin B12 and niacin, which are crucial for energy production and metabolism. Grill, bake, or pan-sear salmon or tuna to retain their nutrient content. Enjoy these fish in salads, sandwiches, sushi, or as a main course with a side of veggies and whole grains. Canned versions of these fish are also convenient and can be used to make quick meals like tuna salads, salmon patties, or mixed into pasta dishes. Try incorporating fish into your diet at least twice a week to take full advantage of their health benefits. Next up, add some vegetables to your list. They are the cornerstone of a healthy diet, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Broccoli is a powerhouse vegetable, high in vitamin C and K, folate, and antioxidants, making it great for immune and bone health. It also contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been studied for its potential cancer-fighting properties. Bell peppers are vibrant and rich in vitamin C, which supports the immune system, and vitamin A, which is important for vision. They also provide a good amount of dietary fiber and antioxidants. Did you know fruits are nature's candy, packed with vitamins, particularly vitamin C and fiber? Apples are fantastic for digestion and heart health, thanks to their high fiber content, particularly soluble fiber pectin, which can help lower cholesterol levels. They also provide a good amount of vitamin C and potassium. Oranges are hydration heroes, known for their high vitamin C content, which boosts the immune system. And they are also rich in antioxidants, fiber, and several other vitamins and minerals. Enjoy apples and oranges as snacks. Add slices to salads for a fresh, fruity twist, or use them in smoothies and desserts. Freshly squeezed orange juice is also a refreshing and nutritious beverage, perfect for a morning boost or a post-workout refreshment. Apples can be baked into healthy desserts like apple crisps or used to make homemade applesauce. What's more, dairy products and their alternatives are important for bone health, muscle function, and gut health. Greek yogurt is high in protein, calcium, and probiotics, which support digestive health by promoting a healthy gut microbiome. It's also lower in sugar compared to regular yogurt. Almond milk is a low-calorie, dairy-free alternative that's rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects your cells from damage. Many almond milks are also fortified with calcium and vitamin D to support bone health. Use Greek yogurt in smoothies as a base for parfaits or in savory dishes like tzatziki. It's also great for making creamy salad dressings or as a substitute for sour cream in recipes. Almond milk can be used in cereals, coffee, smoothies, and baking. Both are versatile and can easily fit into a variety of meals and snacks. Greek yogurt can also be enjoyed on its own with a drizzle of honey and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds. Another important point in your grocery shopping should be healthy fats, as they are essential for brain health, hormone production, and the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, fiber, and potassium, making them great for heart health. They also provide a creamy texture and delicious flavor to dishes. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, supporting overall health. It's a staple of the Mediterranean diet, which is known for its heart health benefits. Add avocados to salads, toast, and smoothies, or make guacamole. Use olive oil for cooking and salad dressings, and as a finishing oil for dishes. These fats are delicious and add a creamy texture to your meals. Drizzle olive oil over roasted vegetables, use it in marinades, or simply dip fresh bread into it for a tasty appetizer. Now let's talk about sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient-dense root vegetable packed with beta-carotene, vitamin C, fiber, and potassium. They support vision, immune function, and digestive health. Beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, is crucial for eye health and a strong immune system. Sweet potatoes also provide complex carbohydrates, which are a steady source of energy. And let's not forget about herbs and spices. They are an easy way to add flavor and health benefits to your meals. Basil contains vitamins A, K, and C, and has antibacterial properties. It's also a good source of magnesium and iron. Turmeric is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects due to curcumin. It has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat various ailments and is now widely recognized for its health benefits. Add fresh basil to salads, pasta, and pesto. Use turmeric in curries, smoothies, and teas, or sprinkle it over roasted vegetables. These herbs and spices can transform your dishes while boosting your health. Fresh basil adds a burst of flavor to tomato-based dishes, while turmeric can be used to create golden milk, a soothing and health-boosting beverage. Lastly, healthy snacks are crucial for maintaining energy levels and avoiding unhealthy cravings. Hummus, made from chickpeas, is rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. It's also a good source of iron, folate, and B vitamins. Natural peanut butter is a good source of protein, healthy fats, and vitamins like niacin and vitamin E. It's important to choose natural peanut butter without added sugars or hydrogenated fats for the best health benefits. By incorporating these 15 items into your grocery shopping, you'll be setting yourself up for a healthier, more nutritious diet. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight, but rather making small, sustainable choices that contribute to your overall well-being. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and healthy living advice, and leave a comment below with your favorite healthy grocery items. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.